Good afternoon, welcome, and thank you for joining us today. 5 months ago, we launched Sas Accelerator Cybersecurity Edition. It was vital to initiate a program that supports cybersecurity startups, considering the growth and high demand of cybersecurity worldwide. From 55 applicants, today we're showcasing 8 teams to demonstrate their progress. The teams have worked tirelessly for the past 5 months with mentors and cybersecurity experts on idea and customer development. All teams are with a tech background, and their ideas vary from cybersecurity gamification to machine learning behavior detection. We couldn't have done this without the support and help of MTC teams, including cohort, UK-Oman Digital Hub, CyLon, and OTF. Enjoy.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Charlie Samud. I'm the head of UK-Oman Digital Hub, and it's a great honour to be sitting here today as project sponsor for the region's first cybersecurity accelerator. The UK-Oman Digital Hub has a simple mission. We're trying to help build digital skills and the digital economy in Oman. We really believe our future lies in the digital relationship. And the way we do that is equally simple. We bring together the best of UK expertise and the best of Omani expertise. And that's what you'll see today. CyLon and the Sas Center for Entrepreneurship are at the top of their respective fields in their countries. And what you'll see today in the accelerator is a product of that. Fantastic young entrepreneurs with a real sense of diversity. For me, it's been one of the greatest experiences of my career to see these young entrepreneurs come through. And we couldn't be any prouder to help launch the first accelerator in the region. But we know as well this is a first step in building a cyber ecosystem, and we'll be there for the future with our partners, committed to building on the efforts of these great young entrepreneurs today. So enjoy their work and enjoy the day. Thank you.
Good afternoon and welcome to today's event. My name is Mohammed Al-Rasbi, the Managing Director at Oman Technology Fund. OTF is very happy to be collaborating with MTC, UK-Oman Digital Hub and CyLon on this first cybersecurity accelerator at Sas. OTF invests in emerging technology startups in Oman and in the wider region. We're really happy to look at the outcome of this program, and we're very much interested in investing in some of these startups that you'll see today. OTF's core objective is to actually support entrepreneurs in the technology field. And we wish you all the best to the startups you'll see today, and without further ado, please welcome our first startup. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Sheikh Al-Mushaykhi, and I'm the founder of Cyber Warrior, a cybersecurity awareness mobile game. We aim to improve the online behavior through games, targeting people aged from 12 to 20 years old. Most of the cyber awareness platforms and tools are designed for business environment and don't focus on younger people. Young people use computers as much or even more than people in businesses, but most of them do not realize the cyber threats they could be vulnerable to. And that's because of the lack of the solutions tailored to them. In Oman, the existing methods are typically classroom-based, and these can get tedious over time and are limited to specific locations. And that's where Cyber Warrior comes in. Our solution is to transform the complex cybersecurity and IT concepts into an engaging storyline within the game. As users progress through the game to learn the best practices to reduce their risks to the cyber threats in the real life. For example, here we have an antivirus character called Avi, and its job is to collect the data cards that contain the information about different viruses and their damages to the computer. So the next time your character meets these viruses, you will know what to do to prevent any damages. In addition to my technical background, I do digital art and storyboarding. And in the last couple of weeks, I created concept art to visualize Cyber Warrior by creating Cyber Warrior avatars and antivirus companions and data cards. Initially, our focus is on the public version of the game offered through an app store. And in the future, we would like to work with educational institutions and cybersecurity initiatives to build customized versions. And our content will be in both Arabic and English languages. Globally, the educational gaming market is expected to grow and reach around $24 billion by 2024. And in the GCC, it accounts for $800 million from the global market size. And our focus will be in the Omani market. By being focused on the teen market and being a fully gamified platform, our solution separates us from other competitors. In our team, there is me, the founder of Cyber Warrior. I have a bachelor's degree of computer science from the Louisiana State University in the US and a master's degree in IT cybersecurity from the University of Glasgow in the UK. During the program, I found a co-founder, Manal Rashdi. She has a bachelor's degree in computer and internet application from Majan College University. Currently, she is an IT support technician at the Capital Market Authority. I believe Cyber Warrior can help provide cybersecurity awareness in an innovative way. If you're interested to know more about our game or want to be part of our journey, do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Saeed Al-Abri, the founder of Dark Sniper, a machine learning behavior detection product. The current security attacks are getting more sophisticated and harder to be detected and traced. For example, stolen credentials, internal threat, and data exfiltration are still challenging for the classic technologies without the power of machine learning. Based on Gartner, there were 4.1 billion records of data breaches in 2019. There are a set of challenges that facing security teams within the organization. They have to deal with a daily increasing number of data breaches. In addition to that, the world is moving to use more automation to detect breaches earlier, but there is still a problem of data being analyzed manually. You cannot protect what you cannot see, so lack of visibility is another concern to be considered. These are our four main competitors that delivering the same product with the same technology of using deep machine learning. However, based on the questionnaire that we distributed across a set of customers who are using the product from our competitors, we come up with four main categories of their concerns: data correlation, high cost, and lack of local support. In addition to that, they are caring a lot about the privacy. We are in Dark Sniper, provides better data correlation and affordable cost. In addition to that, we have a local support and more privacy. Based on Gartner, the worldwide spending on data breach protection will reach to $133.7 billion by 2022. Our business model will be based on two categories. We are selling the product as a hardware and a yearly subscription software. In addition to that, we are providing a security consultancy services. Alhamdulillah, we are doing well on the progress of the project since the beginning of the year. We found a co-founder and I spoke to 15 potential customers who are interested in our products. In addition to that, we recently signed a contract with the third-party companies who will support us on planning and partially implementation of the project. Our team is a mix of business and technical expertise. Dr. Ali Hamdan Al-Abri has almost 15 years of experience on networking and infrastructure. He is working on MTC. Also, he has a PhD on data science. Me, Saeed Darwish Al-Abri, I'm having almost 12 years of experience in security, and I worked for 12 years on MTC and recently moved to BDO. Together, me and Ali have a cumulative of 12 years of experience on the same field of the business. Many thanks for your attention and be part of this successful project. Please contact us via these channels. Assalamu alaikum.
Hello all, my name is Manal Mandari and I am the CEO of Cryptic Chains. In March 2020, a big airline company faced serious security breaches, with the record of 9 million customers being compromised. Can you imagine the financial and reputational loss and damage suffered by that company? But why, and how did it happen? Most companies hold sensitive records in a centralized database, which means they are exposed to a single point of failure. Current systems does not support advanced authentication technique. Manual archiving and unstructured classification consume a lot of time and effort from employees, which slow down the progress of the business. Also, we cannot ignore the large number of records lost annually due to the poor archiving and human errors. And that's why we create Cryptic Chains. Cryptic Chains is designed to secure, organize, and simplify the lifecycle management of the records in all its forms, paper, physical, and electronics, regardless of the number of records you manage. Our secure and cost-efficient mechanism uses decentralized storage and provide proof of record integrity and authorization without the need of third party. Cryptic Chains automate your workflow using intelligent tracking, archiving, and classification tools, which comply with global standards. And this is how a Cryptic Chain user dashboard will look like. Our total shippable market is Arab market, and it's about $71 billion. On first 2 years, we are capturing 15% of Omani market. That's covered 23,534 companies, which exceed $85 million opportunity. After 5 years, Cryptic Chain market size will increase to reach $571 million. Unlike other alternatives, we devoted our time, knowledge, and passion to ensure record privacy using the latest cybersecurity and cryptography technology with a competitive prices. On just a few mouse clicks, you can smoothly manage the life cycle of all your records. We get our revenue by selling our product as 3 different packages on a monthly subscription base: Enterprise, Professional, and Light package. Our team includes great energy from accessible technical support to developing a completely customized solution. With me, Manal Mandari, the CEO of Cryptic Chains, and I'm Data Communication and System Administration Engineer, passionate about cybersecurity and certified blockchain developer. Asrar Al-Awadi, the co-founder of Cryptic Chain, specialized in record and archives management. Haitham Al-Mandari, cybersecurity and ethical hacking specialist, certified from Sas and Offensive Security. Qasim Salmani has 3 years experience as system developer and IT specialist. Afrah Al-Rashidi, a creative content producer and brand identity creator. To date, we developed our brand identity and started building our community through community workshops, social media accounts, and Cryptic Chain website. Also, we worked on our product prototype and talked to more than 20 potential customers. We received 2 partnership offers from Blockchain Service and Solution and Code Academy. Support us to save millions of records from inevitable destruction. With your investment, Cryptic Chain can be the leader of the market. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Saqar Rajdi, the co-founder of USAFE. USAFE simplifies the assessment of security breaches in companies' network by using visualization and attack graphs. Well, let's give the user a page full of assets, users, and known vulnerabilities. But what do these vulnerabilities mean? Who owns them? What systems are they on? A list of data doesn't give enough information about vulnerabilities that should be fixed first. Not to mention analyzing them is time consuming and slow to monitor, leaving companies at risk of breaches. This is where USAFE comes in. USAFE uses attack graphs to analyze vulnerabilities, monitor networks, and provides visible illustrations and paths to find vulnerabilities. USAFE saves time by reducing a process which takes 2.5 weeks to an hour. But how do attack graphs work? Attack graphs, because they are a visual representation of a list of potential breaches, make it easier and faster to spot any breaches, such as a PC with an out-of-date software or a misconfiguration of a router. John Limber once said, defenders think in lists, attackers think in graphs. As long as this is true, attackers will win. The global vulnerability assessments market is estimated to be $12.5 billion. It is expected to grow to $15.5 billion in the next 5 years. We are small today, and this year we want to test our beta product and are looking forward to attaining 1% of the total addressable market in order to reach $160 million, selling the product to 40,000 companies in the next 5 years. We will be selling licenses to our software, charging each company depending on the number of endpoints in their network, in addition to sensors and features they demand. When it comes to competitors on the market, it seems to be challenging, but the USAFE is believed to be more applicable for its distinguishing attack graphs to protect network systems instead of using lists, saving money, time, and resources. Based on the scans and uses, the USAFE is highly featured with its comprehensive system and high speed with different resources and clear graphs. Someone once said that stitch in time saves 9, and we are certainly moving quickly with USAFE. In February, we surveyed companies to explore a better solution to detect and prevent cyber attacks. Today, we have a working prototype ready to be tested in our private beta version of the project. I joined Muhammad, the founder of USAFE, as a co-founder on that exciting journey a couple of weeks ago. Having known each for over 10 years and worked together at the Ministry of Education, I believe we have skills and experience to make USAFE a great success. If you would like to join us on that journey as a mentor, investor, or early adopter, please get in touch. Thank you.
My name is Ashraf Maini. I'm CEO at Octopus. Our commitment is to let you know what could go wrong during IT operations that would impose security risks. Over the recent years, security is getting more regulated. For example, the FIFA World Cup 2022 requires participating entities to comply with a new security framework. As an implementation engineer, we do see how hard it is to deploy and maintain those security guidelines, as generic ones are not suitable anymore. Such problems were highlighted in the responses of a targeted survey that we conducted and filled by 25 different security personnel from different organizations. In addition to that, 65% of the responses mentioned that they depend on human resources, which makes validation and analysis time-consuming and unreliable. So our solution is to automate it by providing built-in customizable per-vendor templates, analyze operational changes to avoid any violation, and we will report and alert in case it happens. As a simple example, a disapproved attempt to disable antivirus will have a security risk, and we will act upon that. Going back to our use case, the FIFA framework, we will help instantly by reducing the time to implement and maintain those security new guidelines and frameworks. The global risk management market size was valued at $6 billion in 2018, and the market forecast is projected to reach around $18 billion by 2026. Here is our competitive analysis. We aim to achieve a simple-to-use product with better quality and feature coverage by providing multiple vendor support, real-time validation, automatic backups, and built-in templates, whereas others mainly focus on compliance-only templates and limited to specific vendors. Our business model is a yearly subscription license starting price $10,000 per 50 devices, in addition to professional services that is provided during the implementation. Amjad and I are actually brothers. We have been in the cybersecurity domain since more than 10 years, and we have worked around 7 years in the same companies. Since the start of the program, we have accomplished the following: a targeted survey that provided useful info, accomplished the competitive analysis, and in May, we started designing the solution and building the prototype. Thank you for your time. We do see at Octopus that business continuity and protection is the main goal for any organization. Hence, Octopus Bar is the solution by helping them reducing their configuration-related incidents. Please feel free to reach out to us for any additional information about our product. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Maha. I'm a CEO of Heading Power. There are currently over 26 billion devices connected in the world, and that number is expected to grow to 75 billion by 2025. Devices like GPS trackers, temperature and vibration sensor are using in trucks and cars for logistic companies. These sensors, improving the efficiency of shipping, make it easier to track the delivery and improve the transport condition. This great number of connected devices is improving the efficiency of shipping and logistics, but a lot of companies are still relying on phone calls, paperwork, and an email to confirm the order and do a quality check on the transport condition. Heading Power is on the mission to change this. Heading Power is using blockchain to not only track shipping more efficiency, but it also add an additional layer of security. This will allow us to reduce the manual process involving in shipping product. Blockchain has ability to attack as mutable ledger. This is make it the perfect technology to facilitate to not only more secure shipment tracking, but it also executing contract process payment using smart contract. Our software will track the device for each shipment, store the identity of those shipments on the ledger, make it easy not only to track if the shipment were fulfilled, but it also alert if the transport conditions such as temperature and vibration were not correct. When the data collected by devices show all the shipping requirements were correct, it will automatically release the payment to both parties. We are small today, but the business opportunity in this market is huge. The connected logistic market is estimated to grow to 41 billion by 2021 globally. To start, I will first focus on the local GCC market by providing consistently service to local business interested in Heading Power technology. Since the beginning of the program, I have spoke with potential customers and made a connection with Oman Blockchain Club. Heading Power started as my master project, and I believe that my passion of the blockchain technology combined with my business skills will allow me to improve the quality of logistics service in GCC region. I'm looking to connection and shipping companies that are interested in Heading Power importing solution.
name is Mus'ab Al-Muniri, and I am a co-founder of DataBot. DataBot is a security information and event management solution for small and medium enterprises, which is developed locally. Security information and event management is also known as SIM. It is a software used to monitor devices within a company network to discover and analyze the threats that can be harmful to a company. Currently, SMEs' risk of breach is high because they manage their own databases and servers, and they are only using basic security tools to protect themselves. But as hackers get more sophisticated, they need more comprehensive monitoring tools, and this is what SIM provides. However, SIM solutions available on the market today do not cater to SMEs, and they are often out of budget. DataBot is solving this unserved market. We are going to provide locally developed SIM. It will be reasonably priced, and it will cater to the needs of under-resourced IT managers. Our addressable market of SIM solution for SMEs in Oman is $10 million, with a growth potential of capturing global SIM solution market of $2 billion. We will charge our customers an annual subscription fee, but we will also have the option of on-premises installation on a case-by-case basis and at additional cost. Our team has more than 10 years of combined experience in software development and experience in cybersecurity and data analytics. I'm Mus'ab Al-Muniri, and we are DataBot. We protect SMEs network at competitive price. If we would like to know more about our product or our team,
Hello everyone, my name is Mohammed Ngabu. I'm the founder and CEO of Night-Owl. Night-Owl is a real-time security testing developer tool. Let's assume that you want to start your own software product. After handling all the coding stuff and start doing some testing, you find out that you might have some design issues or performance issues. Those are relatively easily fixed, but security issues are a little bit trickier. Even though, after doing some scanning, fixing a vulnerability or two, you are ready to launch. Now, let's go 2 weeks ahead from that. A new vulnerability is introduced to the web, a hacker finds about it, and finds also that your application or your software is affected by it, so he takes advantage of that and compromises your system. You notice the problem, do some research, fix the vulnerability, and right now your software product is up 100% again, but your reputation isn't. So what are you going to do to prevent that from happening again? Some might say you might do some manual testing periodically, like every 2 weeks or so. That might work for some time, but it is going to cost you a lot of time and definitely a lot of money, especially if you are a small company. And here comes our product, Night-Owl. Night-Owl is a developer tool that attaches to the developer machine and notifies them every time an unsecure code is written. Not only that, it notifies the developer if a new vulnerability is introduced to a code that has been written before. Now, where are we going to get all of those vulnerabilities from? We're going to get them by using crowdsourcing. And by crowdsourcing, we mean that ethical hackers and penetration testers will report security issues to our platform, and then our tool will notify our clients if the vulnerability affects them. Not only that, we are also going to give our client a dashboard to give them inside data about the status of the security of their software. Our platform is SaaS, software as a service, so our clients are going to pay subscription fees based on the number of developers using our tool and also the volume of code that our tool is testing. The application security market size is exploding. In 2017, it was only $2.9 billion, and it's estimated to triple in just 5 years by reaching $9 billion in 2022. This is 300% increase in just 5 years. Other companies are trying to take a foot or to get a foot in this market, but all of them are using their own resources and their own professional individuals to report their vulnerabilities, and that cannot compete with our crowdsourcing approach. We are a small team. Myself, Mohammed Ngabu, I'm the CEO. I have more than 5 years of experience in full stack development, master's degree in information security, and I'm currently a CTO in a travel agency. So I'm facing the problem that we are solving here every single day. We are also onboarding a CTO. He's a national cybersecurity champion here in Oman. Thank you very much. This is Night-Owl. We are currently raising a pre-seed fund, and we are going to be more than happy to talk to you. Thank you very much.
Hello, this is Jonathan here, co-founder of CyLon. Huge congratulations to everyone who's taken part in the Oman CyLon Spark program. As you know, we've been running CyLon for a number of years now. The point being to increase the number of people entering the cybersecurity industry and to really build that pipeline of talent that can be the foundation for a successful cybersecurity ecosystem in the future. We're thrilled to have worked with our partners in Oman to do exactly this, and I want to send a huge message of congratulations to everyone who's been involved. Thank you so much, and good luck with everything you do in future.
Thank you for joining us. Thanks to all the team's hard work. We will continue to support them as they progress in their journey. Please reach out if you're interested to work with them.